is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, best friend of all.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along.
G is for goat, with a funny bleat. H is for horse, running with speed. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, warm, yummy and bright. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion, king of the sky.
M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, safe and sound.
O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for parrot, talking with glee. Q is for quail, small and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow but alright. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing up high. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, playing for you. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, with stripes all along.